Oh.
How's your game going? Owen, how's your game? Owen, how's your game? Are you winning?
I guess.
You guess? So how's your game going?
Good.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Are you winning?
Uh-huh.
Good. So I'm about to go to school. It's probably the worst thing you could say. Because it's orientation. What do you want, Blinky? I'm trying to take a video, and then even Mother Nature's pretty mad about going to school. As you can see, yeah, it's. I guess it's severe. Hopefully there's hail, because I never get to see hail.
It was the worst I ever saw. Oh, that's good. That's good.
Some hail after coming right there. Alright, so, yeah, there was hail today. I'm surprised it actually did hail. Pretty big, too, because I never see hail, so that was kind of cool. And, I don't get a bottom locker this year. I finally get a top locker for the first time ever. So, happy about that. Even though it's my third year of having a locker, but you know what? Still happy with finally getting the top locker, so, yeah. So, thanks for watching, guys, and good night.
We got no crackers.
There.
We got animal crackers.
Nah. Frosted Flakes. I'm getting Frosted Flakes.